Hello friends, today I will show you some apparatus used in the laboratory. The first apparatus I want to show you is the watch glass. You see, this is the watch glass. Now the question arises, what is a watch glass? A watch glass is a round, concave glass dish used for evaporation in chemistry. It can also be employed for weighing solids and as a lid for flasks and beakers. This is used in these cases. This is the watch glass, you see. It is also used for evaporation in chemistry or to weigh solids, and also it is used as a lid for flasks and beakers. This is the watch glass, you see here. Okay, this is concave in shape, you see. This one is concave. Here you see, this one is concave shape. Here you see, this is concave actually, right? This is the watch glass we used in chemistry laboratory. Now I will show you another apparatus like this. You see this is a mirror, a concave mirror. I will show you a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm and diameter 50 millimeter. You see this one? See, this is a concave mirror. You see, this is concave, this is round, right? You see in this way, right? This is somewhat concave, right? And the focal length of this mirror, is 15 cm and diameter is 50 millimeter, right? This is a concave mirror. Now I'll show you another mirror. Here you see, this is another mirror. See this mirror? This one? This mirror actually is a convex mirror and its focal length is 15 cm and diameter 50 millimeter. Let us explain this one. You see this one? You see, this mirror is a convex mirror. You see, this mirror is a convex mirror and it has a focal length of 15 cm and diameter 50 millimeter, right? Now I'll show you another mirror. This is another mirror. You see this mirror. This is a plane mirror, right? This is a plane mirror. You can see here. This is a plane mirror. Then what is the property of plane mirror? The property or characteristics of plane mirror is that the size of the object and the size of the image will be same, and the distance from which the object is kept from the mirror, the image distance and object distance will be same. This is the property or characteristics of a plane mirror. Now I will show you lens. Here you see, this is a convex lens. This is the lens, right? This is a convex lens, and this convex lens has focal length of 20 cm and diameter is 50 millimeter. You see, if you measure the diameter, it will be 50 millimeter and the focal length is 20 cm. You see, this is a convex lens. See, this one is convex. You see, there is broad at the middle and thinner at the side. This is a convex lens. Now I will show you another lens. This is a convex lens. Now I will show you the concave lens. You see, this lens is concave lens. This is concave. You see here, this lens is concave. Concave in the sense that the middle is thinner than the outer side. You see here, this is thicker and in middle it is thinner. That means it is a concave lens. It is a concave lens. You see here. It is a concave lens, right? Now I will show you another apparatus. You see this one. This one, what you see? What is this? This one is a glass slab. See here, this is a glass slab. You see here, this is a glass slab. And with the help of this glass slab, we can find the experiments with this glass slab. You can find many experiments with this glass slab for reflection of light. In next video, I will show you the reflection of light in this glass slab, right? And the last one, what we want to show you is the prism. You see, this one is the prism, right? This is a triangular prism because the base is triangular. You see, this base is triangular. If I put it here, it is a base. You see, the top and the bottom, this top and the bottom have the same figure, that is triangle. It is also triangle. It is also triangle. It is the base. Since the base is triangle, it is known as triangular prism. Now I will show you how many faces are there. If you count, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 faces in a prism. Here you see 1, 2, 3, top 4 and bottom 5. Right? There are 5 faces in a triangular prism. Right? And how many reflecting surface? If I put it in this way, then there are 2 reflecting surface. This surface and this surface is the reflecting surface. Right? And how many vertices are there? There are 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices, right? How many edges? We can count edges also. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are 9 edges in a triangular prism, right? And you see, since the triangle is an equilateral triangle, since all the sides are same here, therefore the angle of prism is 60 degree. The angle of this prism is 60 degree, right? This is an equilateral prism and the angle of this prism is 60 degree, right? And if we cross section, then the cross section of this prism will be triangle. In here you see, if you find the cross section, then you will get the triangle of this prism. When a ray of light passes through this white ray of light passes through this reflecting surface, it splits the white light into 7 colors, that is vibgyor. Vibgyor means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Not only that, these prisms are used in laboratory for various experiments also. But in general, what we experiment is a splitting of white light. We split the white light into 7 colors, that is vibgyor, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. These are the factors of this prism. Later on, we will show you some experiments with this prism. Right? You have seen all these apparatus, and let me know about this apparatus in your comments so that I may show you other apparatus also for physics and chemistry. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.